How humans digest food. Yes, digestion is the process by which the human body breaks down food into simple substances that can be absorbed and used for energy, growth, and repair. The digestive system consists of several organs that work together to digest food. Number one, the mouth. Yes, ingestion and mechanical digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth. Teeth chew fruits into small pieces, and saliva produced by salivary glands mixed with food, and saliva contains an enzyme called amylase, which starts breaking down starch into sugar. And the tongue, it helps mix food and pushes it toward the throat. Number two process, esophagus. Yeah, it's also work as a food transport. After swallowing, food moves into the esophagus. Muscular movements called peristalsis push food down into the stomach. No digestion happens here, it only transports food. Number three, stomach. Yes, chemical and mechanical digestion. In the stomach, food is mixed with gastric juices. Gastric juice contains hydrochloric, hydrochloric acid, HCl, and enzymes like pepsin. HCl kills harmful bacteria and provides an acidic environment. And pepsin breaks down protein into smaller molecules, and food becomes a semi-liquid substance called chyme. Number four process, small intestine, complete digestion and absorption. The small intestine in the main site of digestion and absorption. A. Duodenum. Yeah, bile from the liver breaks down fats into the small droplets, and pancreatic juice from the pancreas contains enzymes amylase, trypsin, lipase, and B. Duodenum and ileum. Yes, it digests food is absorbed into the blood through tiny fingers like structures called villi. Nutrients such as glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals enter the bloodstream. Number five process, large intestine, water absorption. Yeah, undigested food enters the large intestine and water and salts are absorbed. Helpful bacteria produce vitamins like vitamin K, and waste material become solid feces. And in the last sixth point is rectum and anus. Yes, it's also called digestion. Feces are stored in the rectum and they are expelled from the body through the anus. This process is called digestion. Now, conclusion, the human digestion is a complex but well organized process that converts food into nutrients the body needs. Each organ of the digestive system plays a specific role to ensure proper digestion, absorption, and elimination of waste. So, my dear audience, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow my account. This is Dr. Mrs. Said Kareem. Thank you.